ENDOTECH is an Israeli company that has been specializing in artificial intelligence and finance for over a decade. The company has developed numerous successful algorithmic innovations in the field. Dr. Anna Becker has collaborated with financial institutions, trading brokers, and individual traders around the world to create proprietary algorithms. In 2018, Dr. Becker introduced the eponymous project at ENDOTECH, which provides high-risk, high-return, high-probability strategies with fully automated execution for both retail and institutional traders. In January 2021, ENDOTECH announced an equity crowdfunding partnership with Daisy Global for the development of superintelligence under the Daisy project. The Daisy crowdfunding model uses a smart contract on the blockchain to allow retail investors to invest in the future of ENDOTECH. It is important to note that ENDOTECH is not responsible for Daisy marketing activities. The goal of Daisy is to improve probabilistic returns through the use of superintelligence in fundamental analysis, and it will become an integral part of ENDOTECH's automated investment solution for network members. Daisy is an innovative approach to capturing and utilizing fundamental analysis signals to inform systematic trading. By using data science and other proven methods, the company aims to create a definitive data pool for the development of models that outperform the current Sharpe ratio of 2. This data pool will be used to train superintelligent AI systems to identify high-risk, high-return investment opportunities and automatically execute trades for retail investors. The goal of this project is to revolutionize the use of data and understanding in financial markets and to effectively capture alpha through algorithmic tools. Daisy is a platform that utilizes smart contracts and was created by a team of experienced marketers. It is intended for use in crowdfunding and retail investing. Daisy offers a decentralized approach for the decentralized finance community to come together and make money transparently, which has not been previously possible for retail investors. The first crowdfunding project on Daisy is Daisy AI, a cutting-edge artificial intelligence algo trading system that will enhance the performance of ENDOTECH, a fintech company based in Israel. Technical analysis has a long history of use by traders, analysts, and investors, and it has gained widespread acceptance among regulators and the academic community for its behavioral finance aspects. Systematic trading based on technical analysis has the potential to produce impressive results. By using automated synthesis of technical patterns, investors have been able to identify and take advantage of short-term opportunities. Many systems focus on identifying patterns in high-frequency, high-volatility trades and exploiting arbitrage opportunities. This approach has been especially successful for retail investors. ENDOTECH has a proven track record in technical analysis, particularly in identifying and utilizing volatility. ENDOTECH's technical methodology. Step 1. Statistical pattern recognition. ENDOTECH creates a comprehensive statistical analysis of the market's behavior/patterns for multiple time frames. For example, in ETH/UST, ENDOTECH identifies the following trends that become predictable once captured. Step 2. Goal setting. Once trends are identified, ENDOTECH specifies model precision and accuracy. 1. Precision depicts the number of patterns we achieve to penetrate. 2. Accuracy depicts how accurately each pattern was penetrated. For example, if a pattern is a trend of 10%, meaning that price moves 10% and up. 3. Precision equals the number of such bullish trends captured in long positions plus the number of bearish trends the system captured in short positions divided by the total number of trends. Accuracy is combination of entry and exit position accuracy, where entry accuracy is a percent of move. Step 3. Setting performance markers when launching strategies. ENDOTECH system defines exact parameters for preventing losses by stopping the system or reducing portfolio allocation when performance markers become different from expected ones, e.g., success rate or accuracy rates drop below the threshold, max number of losses or max drawdown are reached, slippage, number of traders, etc. Step 4. Defining technical tools. Once patterns are identified, ENDOTECH starts by running individual proprietary indicators with very few parameters and then increases details as unified patterns and variations are identified. Then ENDOTECH cross-checks each indicator and parameters to verify that it belongs to a unified model that works on each type of asset and individual asset. Step 5. Parameters optimization and system adaptation from the outset. Systems have a pre-configured optimization that applies machine learning with proprietary score, resolving overfitting and underfitting, that use predefined constraints using combinations of gradient descent, proprietary goals, and filter functions to find a range of parameters values for the algorithms. And then we run reoptimization once a day to ensure that we adapt the system to market conditions, either reduce allocation or stop it completely. But even this dynamic reoptimization is not always sufficient in identification and analysis of changes in patterns needed, usually when there is a new, extreme volatility. Volatile markets need robust technical analysis systems to generate opportunities. However, over long periods of time and varied circumstances, these models have proven to have fading performance due to limited efficacy as they are unable to learn and adapt to new market conditions. When modeled signals are no longer present, or there is a fundamental shift in extraordinary conditions, models are not able to identify, let alone act. They simply cannot recognize, understand, or internalize the externalities that render their systematic approach irrelevant and unprofitable. To address this eventual fading, ENDOTECH is looking at DAISY to find volatility in systematic fundamental analysis. DAISY is a purely systematic approach to trading that is based on a specific aspect of fundamental analysis, volatility. While there are many signals that can be derived from fundamental analysis, DAISY has chosen to focus on volatility because it has proven to be a key factor in successful, profitable modeling. DAISY is a high-risk, high-return strategy that aims to systematically identify and act on trading opportunities that have the potential to yield returns of 100% or more. Volatility will be a critical component of this scientific approach, which seeks to achieve a Sharpe ratio of 5, a level of accuracy that is typically seen in the field of physics. By applying a scientific approach to discovering volatility from fundamental analysis, DAISY hopes to achieve sustained, high-risk, high-return trading. The DAISY Deep Reasoning methodology combines insights from deep learning and fundamental analysis in order to better model financial fundamental data and understand volatility. By applying deep reasoning to a bounded dataset, DAISY aims to create a validated source of data that can help to model the relationships between key factors that influence volatility. The technical aspects of this approach are described in more detail below and cover a range of categories. We must not miss the train. The first registered on DAISY will be the winners. You will understand there is a very long tail before DAISY and ENDOTECH Company. If you want to get 478.74% profit in 8 months according past results within Doctor of Artificial Intelligence from Israel. We give you access freely to Google form of the registration procedure and description. See you soon.